Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. Right now, we are at Tiny Fest 2020 here in Del Mar, California, Southern California, and we are in a beautiful tiny home. And I'd like to introduce the people who created this home and designed it. And we have
Ashley Boswell,
Tim Calhoun,
Kay Calhoun,
Damon Boswell.
Yeah, well, we know that you have a very busy schedule. Yesterday, they had over 8,000 attendees here. And so today, maybe we'll get that many more. But again, thank you very much for this time. But this is an awesome tiny home. What's the story? How did you guys get into this, and what inspired you to build this?
Okay, we're building these homes for the homeless people. We actually interviewed over 200, and we have 120 on film, of homeless mothers with children and vets. So it originally started to supply them with a place to live that was safe and secure. And that's where this whole concept came about. As a result of that, people have been wanting to buy them for themselves to put in their backyard, granny flats, the whole 9 yards. So we've kind of incorporated the two together. But our mission is to help 120 families that are living on the streets as a result of economic crisis, not being able to afford to have a place to live, and to be able to bless them with a tiny home. And this is the first one. It's the Genesis.
So just tell us about this home. What kind of features you have? How many square feet?
What we have here is we have a 8.5 by 16. The trailer platform is manufactured by BJ Trailers specifically for our purpose of a tiny home. So it's not just something some conversion. It is designed and built for this purpose. Two 6,000-pound axles with electric brakes, so it's designed to tow and carry the weight and give you no problem to stop and anything you may need to do. Our frame structure is 2x4s, and the outside, of course, is nice half-inch plywood sheathing. We used half-inch T111 siding, which is also plywood. It's wrapped with your Tyvek style house wrap. We put closed cell spray foam in all the walls, the ceiling, everything is very, very well insulated. We have low E windows, so it's just like your home windows, the same thing. This house is designed and constructed according to both the housing codes and the RV code. So we are certified through NOAA, and NOAA is a third-party certification company, and they video film our inspections. So the inspections are also set up so that people can go back and see them if they want to see how their house was inspected, and if it passed, they or the codes people, if codes people have a question, can get their answers. It's 128 square feet on the first floor. It's 50 square feet on the sleeping loft and 20 square feet in the storage loft. So we have almost 200 square feet of space, some of it including the loft, and I'll let my dear wife Kay give a little bit of the explanation of some of the amenities.
Very cool.
Hello. On the top floor where the sleeping is, it's a queen size bed. You can put a queen size mattress there. And the storage loft, you can have access to it also with the ladder that goes to the sleeping loft. We have a fold-down table that gives you space to walk into your kitchen area and living area. There is storage under this couch area. There's storage over the microwave vent hood, and then you've got your micro convection that you have with the exhaust fan. You have a stove eye, and then we have a refrigerator and with a small freezer in it. We have a full bathroom with a full shower, and so it's just, forgot about my air conditioning heating. Sorry about that. It's a heating air split. We have a ceiling fan to keep the air circulating. We also have a humidistat that pulls the moisture out when you're in the shower and all the moisture builds up. It automatically comes on, and when you set the thermostat for that. So, and that's about my...
Very awesome. Thank you very much. You were sharing a story with me before we got started. What are you doing with this home?
Yeah, okay, so this home, this is the Genesis. We're an upstart, but between us, We got over 75 years of real estate and construction experience between us.
Okay.
Between the four of us. So we're seasoned. So we took all that expertise and we went ahead and we said we're going to get into the tiny home market. We got originally into the tiny home market because this is a good solution for homelessness, especially in California. I mean, people coming from a tent, they don't have much. So being a minimalist, they're already that by nature.
Yeah.
Unless they got a storage unit, you know. But so this was a good solution. This was a great solution, you know, for to help the homeless. And so we set a goal to do 120 of these and donate them to the homeless. And we went to LA and interviewed people, called Open House for the Homeless. And the response was overwhelming, and thousands of people showed up. And we're doing our part. So this is the genesis. We as believers, and you know, we're Christ believers, and we believe that, you know, the first we give if you give away the first, the lump will be blessed. And so we're giving away this first one to a homeless person, and followed on by that, it created a lot of interest from a lot of other people that want them from their backyards, and that was expected. You know, that was expected. We didn't plan for that to happen, but we're not mad that it did happen, because, you know, we want to be able to supply homes and keep, you know.
That's awesome. You guys have a great story, a beautiful home. Really appreciate this. If you want to share your love with all these people, make sure that you hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. We do have more stories and more homes coming your way. Thank you for watching.